Good morning. At one time or another, we used paint filters, the standard run-of-the-mill paper paint strainers. They're basically all the same size, and they come either cone-shaped in a package like this, or just a few of them in an envelope, maybe 6 to a pack. I buy them by the 100 to a pack from my local automotive supply store. Normally, if we're going to strain paint, we put the strainer in and put our paint into it. Well, sometimes this is just not enough, and if the paint can is full, you're not going to get a strainer like that, so you got to sit there and hold it and twist it around until it finishes straining. And what I've done is made something like this. Just a simple podium style holder with a hole cut. This is MDF wood. It doesn't have to be exotic, because it only serves one purpose in the whole world. Then when you're not using it, it goes up on top of the shelf in the kitchen or in your shop, somewhere around there. But I use this in my kitchen because I also save my cooking oil in these plastic containers, and they fit very nicely in here. That's what I made it for. And I put my strainer in there and strain it, but it's just a little bit too short because I need it up taller, way up here like this. So the options are to either make longer legs or a smaller hole. So on this one, I did both. Let's get to it. So what you do, you need about 18 inches of dowel, wooden dowel, maybe 3/4 of an inch, 1 inch in diameter, whatever you have on hand. Something to cut a hole with, a circle cutter, a hole cutter, a scroll saw will work to cut you a 4-inch hole. This hole is 4 3/4 inches. So we're going to make one today that's 4 inches. So what you do, you get your 2 pieces made for the top and the bottom. You use your circle cutter to cut the hole out. This is 4 inches. Now I have one of those knuckle buster circle cutters that everybody is afraid of for good reason, but it cuts a very nice clean hole. So I use a 4-inch diameter, mark my center, then I cut the hole out, and you take both of them and you round off the edges. I used a 1.5-inch washer, and you count, and while you got it like this, you drill your holes for your dowels, so they'll be on the same side, and you countersink the top, and you turn it over like so, and you countersink the bottom. That way, if you're any kind of a little bit off with your holes or whatever, if you keep these parallel, it'll look okay. It's a paint strainer holder, folks. Don't go OCD and over-engineer it. There's no need for it. So I got 2 dowels. This just happens to be oak. I would prefer poplar or maple, but this is just what I had on hand for right now. And I mark my center and drill a pilot hole in each end. Okay, it's important, very important, to pre-drill your pilot holes. Then you use whatever method that you like to drill the holes. Now, that's it. That's all there is to it, boys and girls. Now, this is a dual purpose. You put your paint can in there, you put your strainer, in a 4-inch hole, and you strain your paint. This is a dual purpose strainer holder. You can strain your kitchen oil, you can strain your paint. Totally up to you. Now if you want to go OCD and over-engineer this and use 3/4 inch cherry, by all means go ahead and do it. Take your router and smooth this out, give it a really nice round over. And what I do, I take some regular shellac, and this will be the sealer, just regular old shellac. You can either get it in a spray aerosol can or you can brush it. This is just what I happen to have on hand. That'll be your sealer. Then you can spray paint it with Rust-Oleum, any kind of spray paint that you want to make it pretty to fit your decor. Now if I want to strain my cooking oil, voila, it's tall enough. It's tall enough for just about everything. And that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. And always, I thank you so much for watching. It is very much appreciated. Dual purpose paint strainer, oil strainer, whatever you want to call it. Thank you so much.